Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming which launcher and Android version you're using, because badge control differs between launchers. Open Settings and go to Apps, then pick the app with the badge. Once there, tap Notifications to verify notifications are allowed, and make sure the app icon badges toggle is visible. You want to enable or disable that toggle depending on whether you plan to clear badges or stop new ones. Doing this first avoids chasing phantom badges later. Once done with settings checks, force stop the app to halt any background badge updates. This stops immediate recreation of badges. Next, clear the app cache. This removes temporary files that can re-trigger badges. Then pull down the notification shade and dismiss or clear any lingering notifications tied to that app. If your Android version supports notification history, clear those entries, or else clear app storage only after backing up, because that resets login state but removes persistent badge records. To finish, restart your device so the system recalculates badge counts and notification channels. After reboot, open the app to confirm the badge cleared. If you intentionally disabled badges, re-enable the toggle only if desired. If the badge persists, update the app first, and if that fails, consider uninstalling and reinstalling to reset internal counters. As a final troubleshooting tip, switch to or from a third-party launcher. Launchers manage badges differently, and changing it often reveals whether the issue is system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.